Tired of mowing the lawn every weekend? Why not replace it with a beautiful, low-maintenance flower garden? In today's video, we'll explore 10 stunning flowers that can transform your yard into a vibrant, grass-free paradise. These plants don't just look amazing, they're also easy to grow and require minimal care. Let's dive in. Creeping phlox is a fantastic ground cover that produces a stunning carpet of flowers in shades of pink, purple, and white. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for replacing grass in sunny areas. Once established, it requires little watering and spreads beautifully, creating a dense mat of color that helps prevent weeds from taking over. One of the best things about creeping phlox is its ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, this perennial is also drought-tolerant, meaning it won't need constant watering like a traditional lawn. Just trim it after blooming to keep it looking tidy, and you'll enjoy its vibrant display year after year. Sweet Alyssum is a delicate yet hardy flower that spreads quickly and fills the air with a delightful honey-like fragrance. It grows in clusters of tiny white, pink, or purple flowers and can thrive in poor soil conditions, making it an excellent alternative to grass. Its low-growing habit makes it perfect for borders, pathways, or filling empty spaces in your garden. One of the best things about Sweet Alyssum is its long blooming season. It flowers from spring until frost with minimal maintenance. This flower is also a favorite among pollinators, bringing bees and butterflies to your garden. Just give it some occasional pruning to encourage new blooms, and you'll have a fragrant, flower-filled yard all season long. If you're looking for a hardy, drought-tolerant ground cover, Sedum dragon's blood is a perfect choice. This low-growing succulent produces striking red flowers in late summer, contrasting beautifully with its deep green leaves that turn reddish-purple in fall. It thrives in dry, rocky soil and requires almost no watering once established. Not only does Sedum dragon's blood add color to your landscape, but it's also highly resistant to pests and diseases. Its ability to spread quickly makes it an excellent replacement for grass, especially in areas where traditional lawns struggle to survive. Whether used in rock gardens or as a border plant, this sedum variety is a showstopper. Candy tuft is a charming evergreen ground cover that produces clusters of white flowers in early spring. This perennial thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, making it ideal for replacing patches of lawn. Once established, it requires little attention and will reward you with a profusion of blooms year after year. One of the standout features of candy tuft is its ability to create a bright, clean look in the garden. Its low-growing nature makes it perfect for edging pathways, filling flower beds, or covering slopes. Plus, it's deer-resistant and attracts beneficial pollinators, making it both a practical and beautiful choice for a no-grass yard. Lantana is a vibrant and hardy flower that thrives in warm climates, producing clusters of brightly colored blooms in red, yellow, pink, and orange. It grows well in poor soil and requires very little water, making it an excellent option for grass-free gardens. With its long blooming period from spring to fall, Lantana ensures that your yard stays colorful almost year-round. Aside from its beauty, Lantana is also a magnet for butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. It's perfect for planting in borders, hanging baskets, or as a sprawling ground cover. Just be sure to give it plenty of sunlight, and you'll be rewarded with an explosion of color with minimal effort. Creeping Jenny is an excellent choice for gardeners looking to replace grass with a fast-growing, low-maintenance ground cover. This trailing plant features small, round leaves that turn a vibrant golden yellow under full sunlight, creating a stunning contrast against green foliage. It's especially effective when planted along pathways, in rock gardens, or around water features. This plant thrives in both sun and shade, making it adaptable to various garden conditions. Though it spreads rapidly, it's easy to control with occasional trimming. With its lush, cascading foliage, creeping jenny adds both texture and color to your landscape without the hassle of mowing. Rock rose is a tough, drought-tolerant shrub that produces delicate, papery flowers in shades of pink and white. It thrives in dry, sandy soil and is perfect for gardens that experience hot, arid conditions. Unlike a lawn, which requires constant watering, rock rose needs very little attention to flourish. One of its best features is its ability to bloom repeatedly throughout the growing season. This makes it a fantastic low-maintenance alternative to grass, while still offering plenty of floral interest. Plus, its fragrant blooms attract pollinators, helping to support local ecosystems. Ice plant is a dazzling succulent that produces bright purple, daisy-like flowers throughout summer. Its thick, fleshy leaves retain moisture, making it highly drought-resistant. This ground cover is perfect for replacing traditional grass in sunny, dry areas where lawns tend to struggle. Not only is ice plant easy to grow, but it also prevents soil erosion, making it a great choice for slopes and rock gardens. It requires almost no maintenance, aside from occasional trimming to keep it neat. If you want a carpet of vibrant flowers without the hassle of mowing, ice plant is an excellent option. Dianthus is a classic flower with a delightful fragrance and frilly-edged blooms in shades of pink, red, and white. It grows well in full sun and requires minimal watering, making it an excellent alternative to a traditional lawn. Its compact growth habit makes it perfect for edging walkways or filling small garden spaces. One of the best things about Dianthus is its long blooming season. Some varieties will flower multiple times throughout the year. This plant is also deer-resistant and attracts butterflies, adding both beauty and biodiversity to your garden. Just deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooms. Hardy geraniums are easy-to-grow perennials that produce charming pink or purple flowers. They thrive in various soil types and require little water, making them ideal for replacing grass in low-maintenance gardens. Their sprawling growth habit helps suppress weeds, reducing the need for constant upkeep. These flowers are highly resilient, tolerating both heat and cold. Once planted, they require minimal effort to maintain, aside from occasional trimming to keep them tidy. If you want a grass-free yard that remains colorful and lively year-round, hardy geraniums are a perfect choice. So there you have it. 10 beautiful flowers that can replace your lawn and transform your garden into a stunning, low-maintenance oasis. Say goodbye to constant mowing and hello to a yard full of color, fragrance, and life. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video!